Hey guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I take my hair from this super frizzy mess to a nice slicked bun. And I'm going to be trying out the Curls Triple Thread collection for this style. The collection includes the blueberry and mint tea scalp treatment. I am so glad I have this product in my arsenal now, and I'm definitely going to be reaching for it a little more often. The collection also includes the blueberry and coconut hair milk. This is a nice mix, you guys, between the twist and shout cream and the blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. And last but not least is the aloe and blueberry juice curl moisturizer. So now I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and I'm going to start with the scalp treatment. I don't usually oil or massage my scalp, but I'm definitely going to start because, as we all know, massaging the scalp helps to promote hair growth. And it's like, how come I haven't been doing this before? I guess I didn't have a scalp treatment to use, but now that I have one, I'm definitely going to be using it. It helps to stimulate the scalp, which promotes hair growth, and also if you struggle with dandruff or itchy scalp, this is a great remedy for that. Next, I am moving on to the blueberry and coconut hair milk. Like I said, the consistency is a nice mix between the leave-in conditioner and the twist and shout cream. So for this bun, I replaced the Blueberry Bliss Curls leave-in conditioner for the hair milk. And you guys, my Denman brush is just sliding through my hair, and this product really moisturizes my hair and it gives me great definition. And I feel like I don't need to use the twist and shout cream, so I'm not going to. But can you imagine if I did use the twist and shout cream? My curls would be on like 300. So now for my bun, I'm just going to part my hair to the side, and I'm just going to slick it back into a bun. And I'm going to tie my hair because I want my bun to be super flat and super slicked. So this is my first time using a hairpiece ever, much less filming the process. So don't focus so much on how I'm doing this. This isn't really a tutorial on how to add a hairpiece to your hair. More so how the products I am using works well for this style. Because I have a lot of hair, it was kind of a struggle bus city to get the hair to actually cover my bun. So I decided to do a bun because I just wanted something really easy, and also I always film wash and goes and twist outs, and I really just wanted to try something different, and I really like how it turned out. So that's pretty much it, you guys, for this style. My hair is super moisturized. I did not use the aloe and blueberry juice curl moisturizer in this filming because my hair just didn't need it at this point, but I will definitely be reaching for it to refresh my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all of your support. Any questions you have below, just leave them down in the comment section. Thanks guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.